average American throws away about 4.5 pounds of trash every day. And if you're interested in reducing the amount of waste that ends up in your trash bags, then the Cavdle WasteCycler is the go-to gadget. This revolutionary product composts all your biodegradable kitchen waste in as little as 2 hours. Bones, veggie products, and other kitchen waste can be turned into nutrient-rich dirt. Fixed with a good air filtration system, the gadget is completely odorless during operation and is designed to produce minimal noise as well. Just stuff your food waste into the WasteCycler and watch them transform into dry, nutrient-rich dirt. This dirt can serve as natural fertilizers for your garden or lawn. What's more, the WasteCycler's bowl is dishwasher compatible, so you can easily get rid of the grime and prepare for your next compost. Gardena's Micro Dripping Kit is a must-have product for all garden enthusiasts. Thanks to the product's customized watering setting, you can easily meet specific plant moisture requirements while also conserving water resources. Using this product will enhance your plant's soil health through consistent moisture distribution. Plus, it prevents the emergence of moisture-related plant disease by keeping your foliage dry. Investing time in the proper setup of the Micro Drip Kit is essential to ensure it aligns perfectly with your cherished plants. However, once the setup is complete, you can expect a significant reduction in the manual labor hours required for plant watering. You can spend this free time on other aspects of your garden that need taking care of. And since there is a reduction in plant maintenance time and water wastage, the Gardena Micro Drip Kit is obviously the better choice compared to conventional watering techniques. Get rid of unwanted insects in your yard with PetraTools fogger machine. This must-have mist blower is capable of holding up to 4 gallons of liquid chemicals. It is an incredible gadget that has changed the fogging game, since it specifically sprays ultra-tiny droplets compared to traditional foggers. This means that you cover more area during your session, and your chemical mix is efficiently used compared to traditional foggers. Whether you're planning to disinfect your home or get rid of unwanted pests, this fogger machine goes through the entire process in a flash. It accomplishes this thanks to a super powerful motor that is capable of shooting tiny droplets up to 20 feet. The manufacturer didn't compromise on your comfort either, as the gadget features double padded straps that comfortably sit on your shoulders, allowing you to work for hours at a time without feeling tired. If you are considering a natural and eco-friendly solution to combat mosquitoes and harmful garden insects, installing a big bat box on your property might just be the right way to go. Bats are voracious insect eaters, with a single bat capable of devouring 1,000 mosquito-sized insects in an hour. It is easy to fix the big bat box to any surface, and it comes along with all the fastenings you need. By getting this simple yet effective product, you not only help control these pests without resorting to chemicals, but also support local bat populations. Plus, the big bat box is made from cedar, which is known to be resistant to rot and decay, so you know even seasonal weather changes can't take this product down. Installing this product is a win-win, since it promotes biodiversity, reduces the need for harmful pesticides, and fosters a healthier, thriving garden environment. Getting rid of sticks and broken branches in the yard is always an annoying endeavor, especially if you live in the city. But with Earthwise electric chipper, you can transform these biodegradable litter into useful compost. It features a sleek design with strong rear wheels that make it easy to move around. Since this maneuverable product is powered by electricity, you don't have to worry about harmful emissions that otherwise come from gas-powered chippers. The gadget's 15-amp motor is powerful enough to mold sticks under 2 inches thick into compost. Plus, it has a 10-gallon collection bin that makes bagging of compost easy, so you can easily transport it to your compost pit or garden. With Earthwise electric chipper on hand, you can get rid of unwanted sticks in your yard and produce natural fertilizers for your garden in an eco-friendly way. Transform your lawn into a green paradise with the Hozelock Sprinkler Pro. This high-performance garden tool is the ultimate solution for efficient and hassle-free lawn irrigation. It is capable of covering up to 200 square meters, so you know the powerful rotating sprinkler can give your lawn the watering it so desperately needs. Its secret to providing complete and even irrigation lies in its powerful motor and 16 precision-engineered jets, ensuring every inch of your lawn receives the hydration it needs. What's more, the thoughtful design of the sprinkler guarantees stability on any type of lawn, so there's no need to worry about it toppling over or shifting positions while you water your garden. Say goodbye to dry patches and uneven watering on your lawn, as the Hozelock Sprinkler Pro will transform your yard to a lush and vibrant green. trees and hedges are amazing to have on your property. However, when you don't trim them often, they can disturb the aesthetics of your yard. Luckily, the WORX One-Handed Saw can quickly get them back into shape. It comes in a lightweight and compact design that serves a lot of functions. If you need a tree branch delimbed or a garden plant pruned, this versatile product is up to the task, and since it's easy to use, you don't need to be a professional gardener before you can start working. It might come in a small design, but there's no doubt that this is a power tool. To ensure user safety, the one-handed saw features a protective handle design to minimize the risk of accidents. Also, there's a little assembly required, so you can get right into the business of taking care of your garden plants. If there's one thing lawn and garden owners can agree on, is that getting rid of weeds is a stressful activity. This stems from the fact that you typically have to bend down to get rid of them. However, the Fiskars stand-up weeder provides an easier solution. Instead of bending low for extended periods trying to get these weeds, the product's long 35-inch frame and 4 steel claws dive deep into the ground and uproots the targeted plant entirely. And the best part is you get to eradicate the nuisance while standing. Say goodbye to back and knee aches as your garden maintenance routine becomes more effective with getting rid of unwanted plants. There is also no need for batteries or electricity. Plus, the stand-up weeder is an eco-friendly alternative to blasting weeds with costly chemicals, making it another great addition to your gardening tools. Elevate your gardening experience to a whole new level of comfort with the Kneelo KneePads. This product is your ultimate gardening companion, offering unmatched comfort and versatility. With its generous size and comfortable design, it provides cushioned support for long hours of gardening or any other activity where kneeling or sitting is required. Thanks to its advanced padding, which is made up of dual-layered cushioning, your knees will be well protected from strain and cuts from sharp rocks. The Kneelo is also encased in durable waterproof neoprene that is remarkably easy to clean. And since it is made with high quality materials, the knee pads are guaranteed to last for years. You can prolong your gardening time with this lightweight and portable knee pad that transforms your outdoor and indoor experiences, ensuring you can enjoy them pain-free and in utmost comfort. The Seesii Pruner is an innovative electric cutting device designed to handle all your branch pruning tasks effortlessly. The cutting-edge product features high-quality, dual 2000 mAh batteries that can cut up to 6,000 branches before needing a recharge. The electric pruner blades can even cut branches that are 1.5 inches thick in diameter, like it's nothing. With extended battery life and robust cutting power, you can work all day without worrying about the Seesii Pruner running out of steam. The product weighs less than 2 pounds, so you won't get tired or uncomfortable during your routine gardening maintenance. Its lightweight and user-friendly design also make it an ideal gift for women, the elderly, or individuals suffering from arthritis. Get the Seesii Pruner today and reduce your garden maintenance workload with the powerful assistance the product offers. American homeowners spend an average of almost 16 days mowing the lawn throughout their lifetime, but with the WORX Landroid vision, these statistics can go from 16 days to 0 in an instant. This product is so easy to use since there is no need for an installation. Once it scans your environment, it goes to work. The robot is programmed to cut grass that is over the preset height. This feature makes the Landroid vision a great lawn management gadget since it eliminates the need to rake cut grass, which is often the case when you wait too long before mowing. If you don't want the robot getting close to some areas of your yard, you can place the RFID tags to set boundaries at those locations. Not only does the Landroid vision completely manage your lawn, but its method of lawn mowing is better for your lawn health.